Dr. Sharvari, these lifestyle diseases, and there are so many claims, but is it possible, like for instance, diabetes, is it possible to reverse diabetes, or is it only possible to manage it? Does food, sleep, lifestyle have a role to play? Because there are so many claims that come to this and we are going to reverse your diabetes. Does that actually happen?
I'm going to thank you for putting up this question. Thank you very much, because this is the right platform where I can speak about it. Just off lately, there has been a lot of, I would say, a marketing gig that is happening where they claim to reverse diabetes or reverse lifestyle disorders, which has actually been just a marketing gimmick, let me tell you that. Because it's not true in the sense that lifestyle diseases, or particularly let's talk about diabetes here. So when diabetes begins, it's the inability, in fact, of the body to produce enough amount of insulin against the sugars that come inside, right? And that happens with destruction of cells that are produced by the pancreas, and that's how the process goes, and that's how one develops diabetes. So to understand what diabetes is, it's basically the beginning of losing the cells that make insulin, right? And I'm going to talk about very vague terms here. I'm not getting into the details of science. But for the layman, when said so, when we're diagnosed with diabetes the first time, I'm telling you, you're going to be surprised to know this, 50% ability of the body to produce insulin naturally is already gone. That's the first time when you're already detected with type 2 diabetes, if I'm talking about. And thereafter, we can only try to preserve the other 50% that's left with us by either incorporating lifestyle changes or adding medicines, etc., etc. Once we follow the track of a good lifestyle, maybe a few medicines here and there, losing weight, etc., we can get it to a stage where we call remission. That means it's in a level where it is back to the non-diabetic level. But we still require medicines or lifestyle changes to continue to make sure that it remains in that level. So there is remission for sure, but there's nothing like reversal or going back to a normal life that you had before you had diabetes, right? Coming back to your point again, that how lifestyle has been important, till date, till over centuries now, we've established a lot of treatments for diabetes. There have been newer drugs that are coming in. But lifestyle changes remains the first and foremost line of treatment to treat diabetes and high blood sugar. So hence, when we start the treatment for diabetes, even if it is with medication, diet and exercise have the primary role to play in control of diabetes. If we lose that track and we only believe that our diabetes will be taken care by the medicines or the insulin that we are on, we're wrong. We're absolutely wrong, because no amount of medicines or insulin is going to take care of you if you eat loads of sugar or processed food or whatever that comes in your plate. Hence, lifestyle will always be the first and foremost way of treating any lifestyle disease, like let it be blood pressure, hypertension, or heart diseases, or diabetes, or obesity, etc. And then the next line of treatment is going to be through drugs. That, of course, the expert would decide for that individual. But lifestyle will never go away as the line of treatment, and it's going to stay with us forever. In fact, now with time, we've tried to understand how exercise and certain cutting down calories or certain way of putting nutrition in your plate has played a huge amount of role in controlling your blood sugars, controlling your heart diseases, your blood pressure, etc. And that is why it is important that when people read about facts like we can go back to having a normal life again, we can start eating sweets, and I'm not going to be a diabetic anymore, it's a big bubble, and that needs to be burst as soon as possible, I think, because there are ways that you can control your blood sugar with, but it is not going to go back to the normal state. You can always control it. The control is in your own hands. If you want to do it, you can do it. Nobody else is going to be able to reverse it for you.
So no shortcuts. Don't get into the trap.